What's up, folks? It's Papa Trinity back with y'all. And I just wanted to go over this quick reveal, this unboxing. This is some new equipment that I just got. It's called SmallRig, and this is the box that it comes in, so you can see in here. And it's just basically a whole stand that I can now set up my phone. Because to be real, you know, when you're starting out in the beginning with anything, you just try to keep your minimum cost down, so you don't be trying to buy too much and do stuff like that. But I wanted to get rid of one of these because I was tired of just propping my phone up against like a candle or something heavy in the background. So now I got this, and I already opened it, but I didn't get a chance to go through it yet. I just want to pop this open real quick. It comes in this nice container, you see. This is the case that you can carry around with. Thought that was really dope. Check this out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So essentially you have, this is the case, the holder. You also have your charger in there. You all get specs inside there. It's also something that's inside here is the holder. I didn't get a chance to look through this yet. And then you just have, like, on this side, there's just some pieces here that you can store. And then just on this side, there's also a little bag in here too. And then in here, you can see the stand and all the pieces inside. So this is what I'm gonna start using now, instead of just holding it up on a candle or some kind of stand or something like that. I'm gonna be utilizing this. So I'm gonna set it up real quick. It's got a speaker and everything, you know, so it's pretty dope. And I'm gonna set it up and take some photos of it. I'll post it up later on Instagram or whatever. But if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go check on there. My name is Papa Trinity all over the place. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. I appreciate y'all tuning in tonight. I just wanted to do a quick reveal of the SmallRig. And then I got some stuff to film inside here. This is just my storage containers, but I have a couple bags that I want to go through tonight. Cool. See you soon.